Why are you doing this?
That's an Amy question.
How was the renovation?
Wild.
It was a wild ride.
It was wild.
I like to say it was a labor of love. I have a heart for community, and we had a need for expansion at some point, and then this building was right next door. And the family that owned it before, they were so sweet. I love them, had a great relationship. And I just love our community and our main street. And I feel like it's so vital to the heartbeat of your town. And so it was important to me if we bought it to restore it, and it's about that community piece too. So I'm really excited to have a space for that and to, restore the oldest building in town, I guess.
Yeah, it's like one of the oldest buildings in town that's still standing. The brick was made here, right down the road, and so it just has so much character to it, and that's pretty cool.
The community is really excited about it and has been extremely supportive, even though we've changed a little bit of the building on the outside. I've had so many people either write a letter, some lady came up to me in the grocery store and hugged me, just really thankful that we were able to preserve the building and not have to knock it down. So we've had nothing but love from the community, and so we're thankful for that. So actually the building went up for auction, so we weren't sure if we were gonna get it. That was wild. We happened to be taking a family trip to Mexico, and thankfully the Wi-Fi was working on the airplane, but I was constantly checking our bids. And then when we landed, baggage claim is when we found out that we got the building. So from that point on, it was really leaning into what does Inherit need, what's gonna serve its purpose, and then working with a designer from Alexandria, Amy Wood Interiors, and then also my uncle who's generally in the project, and then just getting a team in place that knew about restoration to bring the building back to its original state as much as it could, but also playing off our building and bring a little bit of our heart into it as well.
So we got in and demoed everything, ripped it down to the studs, and then realized that we needed to rip the studs out. And then at that point, it became whatever we wanted it to be. And so that was really exciting for us and took some planning.
It did, yep.
So then from there, it was just a little bit at a time until we have what we have today.
I feel like this space is gonna help us be organized and have the freedom to shoot whenever we want. Minnesota weather is so finicky, and so it's gonna give a great dedicated space for photography year-round with natural light that's gonna last way longer than the room we're using now. So I'm really excited about that. And then it also has a dedicated design space. Design is the heart of our business, and so I'm so excited to finally give it the room it deserves. Revitalizing downtown is a thing, and I'm really excited about that. And it is the oldest building in town, and to be able to have a piece to preserve that's really exciting. You're not gonna cry about that?
No, sorry.
That's cool. I think that's so cool.
I don't even think I could fake cry. Give me some water.